up guys, welcome back to Cooking with Lev. I'm gonna be making fish today. I got a wild Pacific cod which I'm gonna grill it on a grilling plank on a wood fire, and also I have red tilapia which I'm gonna be deep frying this. We're gonna dip it in a flour, seasoned flour, and then we're gonna deep fry it. So let's start cooking. Alright, so first we're gonna go ahead and set up the fire. So I'm going to prepare the cod before the fire is ready. I'm going to use salt and pepper, easy seasoning. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna set this plank on the fire for about 5-10 minutes until it gets some heat on it, and then we're gonna set up the fish. I'm going to prepare a sauce for our fish, so we're going to start off with some butter. Set up the deep fryer. I'm going to be using vegetable oil. I'll be using about 2 cups of flour, and we're going to season the flour. I'm going to add black pepper. Crushed garlic, smoked paprika, paprika, salt, and fresh thyme. Unbelievable. Give it a try, you won't be disappointed. Dinner is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The fish looks really good. Nice golden brown, crispy. Tastes very good. If you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and don't miss out on the upcoming videos. See you guys on the next video.